Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Masa Shibata from Bangkok, Thailand. Today I'll be making this Pad Thai noodles. I bought a Pad Thai set. This is the first time ever I will be making Pad Thai in my life. And I know this like buying something like this is kind of like a cheat, but who cares? I just want to eat Pad Thai, so let's get started. So this Pad Thai set comes in like the Pad Thai noodles. They have these little packs of, I guess, seasoning, chili. Oh, it says, if you can read it, chili. It has the Pad Thai sauce, and these are fish sauce. This is also fish sauce as well. So they have 2 packages of fish sauce, 1 Pad Thai noodle, 1 pack of Pad Thai sauce, and chili. And for the other ingredients, I'll be using eggs, shrimp, chives, bean sprouts. So I'll first begin by preparing all the ingredients. We'll beat the eggs first. And while I beat the eggs, the frying pan right here is being heated up. And also I am boiling water. Time has come for me to make Thai food. So I got my Pad Thai ready. Now let's see how it tastes. First let's squeeze the lime. Oh yeah. Oh, see that steam coming out? Here goes my first bite. Oh, it's pretty spicy. Oh wow, it's spicy. Oh, but the flavor. Oh my goodness. This is very good. I made it, I think, while I was trying to cook the chives and the bean sprouts. I wanted it to wither quickly, so I put in a pinch of salt, but a little too much salt. So I made it a little too salty, but still the flavor is really it has that nutty taste of peanut, and the lime definitely, you should have lime. And the prawns, let me try the prawn. These prawns I got at the Fuji supermarket. It was I think they're frozen tiger prawns. Of course, it'd be better if you could actually buy like real prawns and cook it not frozen, but I was too lazy and unprofessional to do that, so I just went with the frozen ones, and it tastes good enough. Yeah, so that was nice, and I do have some leftover Pad Thai, so I put it in a container like this. I have the lime too. And once the heat is, once it's not too hot anymore, now I can close this up and put it in the fridge and have this for lunch tomorrow. Good way, good way. It doesn't close. By the way, all the gyms are closed up, all of those faculties are closed up. We're not really supposed to be going outside that much. So many of us are losing exercise. But for the past few days, I've been doing a Zoom online exercise with my friends. Actually, one of my friends from work invited me to do a Zoom exercise session, and it's really nice. It takes about 45 minutes and we all do the same exercise. First we start out with like normal exercise, and then second part we actually do like a Zumba exercise. And I've never done Zumba before, so it's kind of hard for me to get all the moves, but still it's followable. Not even sure if that's a word, but you can follow it. You can follow it. And the third part is hilarious. I don't know his name, but I'll post the link below. He's just really funny. I think he's a really good dancer, like a stage dancer, and we dance to his choreography. Very easy to follow. And it's just been like a few days, but already my ankles, I'm getting sore from the exercise, and I've been sweating a lot, so very nice, very nice. So what I wanted to say was you can do it. You can do exercise at home. If you have like just a little space, it's fine. It works. You can get some friends online and do it together. It's really fun and exciting and yeah, healthy. So I'm finishing off the day with protein because I do have muscle pain. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay home, and see you next week.